Alright, we're going to create a new file in Illustrator. When we go to File, New, I can name it right now, Test1. I can pick a profile from either Print, Web, Devices, Video and Film in Basic RGB, or I can look for a template that I've downloaded from the internet. I'm going to select Print. So the artboard is the area where we are going to work. So I can create one artboard, two artboards, 3, 4, etc. I'm going to start with one, but if I was to create two, which I will do after I create a single artboard, I can align them based on these icons right here. To find out what a button does, or the name of a button, all you have to do is move your mouse on top of the button and just wait 2 seconds. So this one is called Grid by Row, Grid by Column, and Arrange by Row. The spacing has to do with the spacing between the artboards. If I create 4, then that will be the spacing in between them. Below that, we have letter. Letter is part of our print profile. So I can pick print, legal, tabloid, and the 4 European formats under print. Then we have the width and the height. And right now, the width and the height are in points. I can change those units by going to the Units pull-down menu, and I can select picas, inches, millimeters, centimeters, and pixels. So I'm going to select inches so you can see that the letter is set to 8.5 by 11. If I want to find out what those units are in pixels, I just go down to pixels, and it will convert 8.5 by 11 to 612 pixels by 792 pixels. Let's go back to inches. The bleed has to do with the extra space that we can create around our artboard. That is used primarily for printers when they print inks outside of the canvas and then they trim the canvas to 8.5 by 11. Alright, we have advanced settings. We can pick our color mode. We can work on CMYK and RGB. Then we have the raster effect, which has to do with the resolution. Anything to do with printer, you want to go 300 dpi. Anything for the internet or any mobile devices, pick 72 dpi. Okay, and preview mode, we can go pixel or we can go overprint. All right, I'm going to hit OK so you can see what a single letter 8.5 by 11 looks like on a vertical format. I can also pick horizontal, and voila. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Shortcut for closing is Command W on a Mac and Control W on a PC. And I'm going to create a new set of artboards. I'm going to go to New, Command N on a Mac, Control N on a PC. And this time I'm going to select 2 artboards. I'm going to pick the side by side, and I'm going to give myself a spacing of 0.5. So the spacing between my 2 artboards is going to be ½ inch. I'm going to hit OK, and there you have 2 artboards.